Welcome to Fun Food Friday. We are testing Zolt. So we are very excited to be testing this. This is a business that we came across when we were looking for a good option for our clients that do want a little bit of a caffeine boost in a fun, fruity way. So this one's really exciting because it has some hemp in it and we cannot wait to try them. Now, as you guys saw, there's so many different flavors. Hold them up, you guys. You can see all of the different options. So there are literally 7 different flavors in here. We are going to try 4, and then we are going to try the other 3 on another Fun Food Friday. So stay tuned. So ladies, let's start with the one on our left, which is the Dial Up. So this one is a peach tea. And yeah, so Cindy and I both have these. And this is also a hemp product. So it's really interesting. So cheers, ladies.
Cheers. It smells really good.
Mm-hmm. This one was my favorite smelling.
It's actually really good.
We made it.
Go ahead.
So we made them kind of like lukewarm. So they did say that they mix better in warm water, but and then we added a little bit of room temperature water to these to get them to this temperature.
It has a lot of flavor to it.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
I can feel like sometimes when I'm having a peach tea, it's really subtle, but this has a lot of really strong peach flavor.
I think one of the things I really appreciate about this company that when I had the conversation with the CEO is that he really cares about the quality of the products. For example, there's citric acid in here and he had to hunt it down in Europe and it's real citrus. It's not just a chemical. And he wanted therapeutic levels of things, not just to throw it in to be able to put it on the label so that people would buy it from a marketing perspective, but actually enough that it made a difference for people's quality of life. So I like that.
And I like that it doesn't just have energy from caffeine. There's other compounds in here, some herbs, adaptogenic herbs, which help your body adapt to stress, like if you need more energy or need more grounding. So it's a combination, I think, that won't just make you like jittery and caffeine crazy.
Yeah. And so we have the boost next. And so this is, I take this back. There's a boost, but this is the Boost Plus, ladies. So this one is your immune system's supercharged and it's passion fruit flavor. So we're going to try this one. I think I like that one better. I couldn't really smell it as much. Like the peach one smells like peach, but this one's nice.
Yes, subtle.
It's a little bit tart.
Uh-huh. Mm-hmm. Yeah, the peach one I almost would like maybe water down a little bit more. Mm-hmm. Okay, are we ready for Rise Plus? Here we go. So this one is Your Magic Morning. So this is for a morning one, and it's tropical orange. What a fun.
It smells good. Very orangey.
Yeah.
I did this at a warmer temperature too, ladies.
I like it at this temperature, actually.
This one tastes to me a little kind of like our supplement, like not a, not a little medicinal flavor, but not bad. I mean, I like it.
Yeah, I'm not an orange person, so this one isn't my fave one, but I think for people who like orange, and I think you hit the nail on the head, it does have a little bit more of the medicinal flavor. But what's interesting, I've noticed with the tasting, I haven't noticed as much of the hemp flavor, which I was concerned about it tasting very hempy, and it doesn't taste like that at all. Mm-hmm. Okay, so this one is Rise. This is your Wake Up Wonder. That's cute. Morning lemon tea. I'm excited about this one because I love lemon stuff.
Yeah.
Smells good.
Ooh, this one's my favorite.
I think this is one of my top 3 favorites.
Oh.
Wow. So
good.
yeah.
Yeah.
I love this.
Me too. All of us at the same time were like, ooh. Okay,
so
the Rise, the morning lemon tea is definitely a winner by far. This one is really good. This one is a little warmer too. Now they do say on the package, so they come in these cute little packages. I love it. They do say that you can do it on any temperature water, but when I spoke with the CEO, he said do it in a little warmer. I think it probably mixes better. Like I make these things here from some little sticks like this. It's a different product, but I do a little bit of warm water in the bottom, even if I'm not going to consume it warm, because I think it mixes better. I also think if you kept it in one of the blender bottles and continued to shake, like we recommend with the greens, reds, and C+, that it would just stay blended and not settle as much. So yeah, I'm excited about these, and we'll be interested to see, Cindy, we're going to make you drink more of it to see how you feel after drinking it.
Energized, but in a show way.
Yeah, so I think Cindy made a really good point about there being the adaptogenic herbs. So adaptogenic herbs help our bodies, as it would sound like, adapt to stress. So that's really going to help be supportive when you're doing any kind of caffeine, especially, but also just in life, giving you some of that adaptability, if you will, through some of the herbs that are in here, which is really exciting and interesting. And I can't wait to try some of the other ones, because I think they have some decaffeinated ones, and that's more my pace. So I'm excited about our next Fun Food Friday that we're going to do on that. But that is a little bit more about Zolt, and you will be seeing these at Cambiati Wellness soon. So stay tuned. And we can't wait to see you for another Fun Food Friday. But in the meantime, Alana, where should they go?
You guys should check out our YouTube channel. We post videos every week, and we also have a website, and we post blog posts, so recipes and tips if you're looking for some new recipes or just want some inspiration. And then we're on Instagram at Cambiati Wellness Program. So we'd love to see you there, and yeah, stay tuned for our new Fun Food Friday.
Bye. We'll see you next time.
Bye.